a language of the cosmos that structures everything from the movement of subatomic particles to the growth cycle of plants and the formation of star systems. Nature is driven by cycles that reflect one another, from the smallest organisms to the largest ecosystems. The cycle of life, birth, growth, death, and renewal, is one of the most universal examples. Just as the seasons change in a perpetual cycle, all living beings experience a version of this cycle in their own lives. In the human body, for example, the circulatory system is a microcosm of the Earth's hydrological system.